guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make birthday cake mix cookies. So let's get on with this video. Let's go. What I'm going to add is the birthday cake mix. So the one that I'm using is by Betty Crocker's. And just dump all of it in. Now add your 2 eggs. Half a cup of vegetable oil. And give this a mix. It should look something like this. The next thing you're going to add is some white chocolate chips. What you're going to add is some sprinkles. I'm going to pour a lot of this in. And now just give it a mix. Fold the batter, do not harshly mix it. You can add as much as you want. I'm gonna go crazy with this. Preheat your oven. You can preheat your oven at 350 or 180, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna put it at 350 Fahrenheit and I'm just gonna press start. Put paper onto the tray. And next thing you're gonna do is just scoop a little bit of the batter. I'm using this 1/4 cup measuring cup. You guys can use anything, a scooper is fine or a spoon, but I'm just gonna be using this. And I'm gonna scoop a little bit of the batter and just kind of roll it. So it kind of pops out the color, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some on each of them, just like this. You guys are gonna let this bake for at least 10 to 11 minutes.